This is a very pretty stitch, very spring-like. It's like a V flowers. So cute. So this is a 4-row repeat, and it's a multiple of 4 stitches plus 3. And I'm using the needles that the yarn calls for. This is a number 4 yarn, and I'm using size 8 US needles, which is the same as 5mm. So this is the wrong side of the work, but it's the number 1 row. The number 2 and number 4 rows are on the right side. So row number 1, going to knit 3, yarn over, and pass 1 purlwise. And that's the repetition. Let's do that again. Knit 3, yarn over, and pass 1 purlwise. 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 Knit 3, yarn over, pass 1 purlwise, and knit the last 3. Row number 2, we are going to purl 3, and then pass these 2 stitches purlwise, and then this yarn bring around from the back to the front. So let's do that again. Purl 3, pass these 2 stitches purlwise, the yarn goes around to the front. Purl 3, pass these 2 stitches purlwise and yarn to the front. Purl 3, pass these 2 stitches purlwise, and the yarn goes around the back to the front. Purl 3, and pass these 2 purlwise, and the yarn goes around into the front. Purl 3, pass these 2 stitches purlwise, yarn around into the front, and purl the last 3 stitches. Oops. Row number 3, you're going to knit 3, and then these 3 stitches, this cluster here, bring your yarn to the front because you are going to purl. Leave them there, yarn over, and purl. Now you can take them off. So let's do that again. Knit 3, bring your yarn to the front, purl, yarn over, and purl the same 3 together, and then knit 3, purl, yarn over, and purl those 3, knit 3, bring your yarn to the front, purl, yarn over, and purl those 3, knit 3, and purl, yarn over and purl those 3, knit 3, purl, yarn over, purl those 3, and end with knit 3. Row number 4. The first 2 and the last 2 you're going to purl. Okay, so this is where the repetition starts, is that you're going to knit the next 2 stitches together, knit 1, and these 2 are going to go slide, slide, put your left hand needle in front and knit them together through the back. Purl 1. So let's do the repetition again. Knit these 2 stitches together, knit 1, slide, slide, and knit, and purl 1. Again, we're going to knit these 2 stitches together, knit 1, slide, slide, and knit, and purl 1. Again, knit these 2 stitches together, knit 1, slide, slide, and knit, and purl 1. Knit these 2 stitches together, knit this one, slide, slide, and knit, purl 1. Again, knit these 2 stitches together, knit 1, slide, slide, and knit, and the last 2 stitches you purl, and that's it. You repeat these 4 rows, and it's just so pretty. This stitch would look very pretty if you make like placemats. So wouldn't it be nice? Or even a washcloth. This is the way it looks on the wrong side. So it really doesn't look too fancy. It's not bad, but this is the pretty side. Just beautiful. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.